What's for dessert at the haunted house? Blueberry pie. Stick around to learn how to draw a haunted house. Once you've got your paper, pencil, and coloring tools, let's start by drawing a horizontal line at the bottom of our paper. Next, draw 4 vertical lines. This will be the foundation of our haunted house. Looking beautiful! Let's go ahead and draw 2 horizontal lines in the middle of our structure. When you're ready, draw 2 small curved lines. Once again, we're going to draw 2 bigger curved lines. You'll start to see our haunted house coming together. Take your time with this step. Let's draw the windows and door. We're almost done. Time to draw the moon to make it spooky. Last but not least, let's finish our haunted house by adding bats in the distance, window panes, and doorknobs for the front door. We're all done! Thanks for joining us and happy Halloween! For more directed drawings, head to twinkl.com.